Only little gasoline, huh? Gasoline car, little only, huh?
Yeah.
Helps ozone layer, huh? Ozone. Ganda. Oh. Oh, tunnel, ah. Good tunnel. Under now. Only this one. Underpass.
Hindi ba euro dito?
Hindi. Iba.
Kroner dito, no?
Kroner. Your money is kroner, ah? Your money here is kroner?
Money here is krone, yeah. Norwegian krone, free.
Yeah.
It's a different krone. Sweden, Denmark, Norway.
Norway.
It's different krone.
How much in dollar?
You no can pay here, for example, a Sweden krone and a Danish krone.
No possible.
No possible. How much dollar in kroner?
$1 is
Yes.
maybe now 9 krone.
9 kroner. 9.
9 krone. Dollar maybe similar Europe. No?
Yeah. Around dollar in Europe is 1 point something. Almost same.
1 euro
Yeah.
is 10 krone, around 10 krone.
What in store here, impossible to use the euro?
Pay euro?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Also dollars.
Only krone.
Kroner.
Only krone and credit card.
Credit card.
Because in Norway, cash money is maybe 2%, 3%. Everybody, people here pay only card.
Card.
Pwede ako natin dito ship money.
Sales
Cash
man.
money is no.
Possible. Possible
Like,
sales
cash
man.
money you can pay, but in Norway,
$1
people pay only card.
Card.
9 kroner ang $1. Titingnan mo lang mo.
But if you change only in the bank, no in the changing money.
Pag ang tubig dyan, yung mga...
My friend.
Only
Changing money,
in
no?
the city center.
In the city,
Ang tubig yata dito.
Yeah.
Baka sa hotel na lang. Bilhin mo na lang dyan. May isang oras na tayo na?
Isang oras na mahigit.
Isang oras na
Mga media daw tayo madarating eh. 22:30. 2300 daw yung pero natawag naman siya. Ganda.
Ganda yung tingnan pag-araw, no?
Oo.
Yung mga bahay na